Hi everyone, I hope everyone has an amazing day. Today's episode we're gonna see very useful tool which I hope you're gonna like it of course, and you're gonna use it for wherever you are and without installation of VS Code. Yes, you didn't hear wrong. You don't have to install to your computer VS Code in order to use globally wherever you are. Instead of this, you can use VS Code on your browser, which I'm going to show you right now. So I open my Google Chrome browser and I type here vscode.dev, and in 3, 2, 1, you see that we have our VS Code opening on our desktop through our browser, of course, without any installation. And I want to mention that the negative point of this okay, we have here the installation. I don't care it. The negative way of this browser is that you cannot open the project on a live server on the browser. Instead of this, you're gonna store the files on local computer on your local machine, and you're gonna browse on this on your local machine. I'm gonna show you right now what I wanna mean. Now, here we have VS Code on our browser, and I say open folder. I'm going to create a folder on my desktop. This is my desktop. And I'm going to say new folder, and I'm going to name it test web. And after that, you're going to see that our folder is on our desktop created and waiting to fill inside. So I close my folder, open again my browser, and I say view files. And here we have our browser. I create my basic files inside this index.html. I press enter. Yes, save changes. Also mind that instead of you want to do any save on your browser, you have to close any other tab on this same web browser, because if you don't do that, VS Code it's gonna confuse and not allow you to save files on your browser. Please have that in mind. So I say exclamation mark and I hit tab. I say I would say button. I'll create a tab here. Okay. I create a tab and I say press. I hit save. I open my folder locally, and as you can see now we have here our. I'm gonna close this. I have our index.html. You can see our buttons here created. I'm gonna press my. So I'm gonna make it another. Okay. I'm gonna place it on the right side. I'm gonna put me on the left side, the VS Code. So, okay. I'm gonna create also a style.css file, which I'm gonna style a little bit my button. Press enter. I'm gonna link it in my head section. Link CSS file. I'm gonna say dot slash. Okay, and link it. And now I'm gonna make some styling. We are doing our basics here. Margin 0. Padding 0. Box sizing. Border box. Okay. As I hit save, on our local browser doesn't happen anything. Instead of I'm gonna have to refresh the page, and you can see now every padding and every margin removed from my present control. And here we're gonna style a little bit our button from our browser. I'm gonna say padding 0.2 rem from top and bottom, and I'm gonna say 2 rem for right and left. I'm gonna say save. Also, I'm gonna give some outline. I'm gonna say none. Border, I'm gonna say 1 pixel. Solid red. Okay. And when I'm hovering my button, I'm gonna give a styling. background, I'm gonna say red, and color is gonna be white, and on this color is gonna be red. Font size, I'm gonna increase the font of my control, and I'm gonna give some transition here, 0.2 seconds ease, which comes on default. I press save, I refresh my local browser here, and you see now, also I'm gonna say cursor pointer. This video is gonna be very short, because I just thought that this is gonna help you a lot. Also, I'm gonna say background none here. So, I'm gonna refresh my control. Okay. Position absolute. Top 50%. Left. I'm doing this in order to see the control more clear on the screen, because it's sticked on the top left corner. I see, you see now? And that was it. I hope this will help you a lot and make you write more codes and create any things wherever you want without installing VS Code on your computer. Whether is you're not supporting the computer system is not supporting the VS Code in a good way or not. Thanks for watching once again, and see you on my next video. Until then, bye bye, and subscribe to my channel and like this video, okay?